Hello everyone, I'm Jim, an application engineer at CAD Dimensions. Today's tech tip is on how to manually delete a vault view. In a previous tech tip, I shared the normal way to delete a vault view, but in some cases that process will fail and we may need to manually remove it. So the first step is to remove 3 registry keys. But before you begin, make sure you back up your registry. If you delete the wrong things, you're gonna damage your Windows installation. So with that said, let's use the Windows search to find the registry editor and run as admin. And I'm gonna grab the first registry key. And now I have multiple Vault views installed, so I have to select the specific Vault view under this registry key, then right click and delete. Now I'm going to do the same for the next key. Same process, find the Vault view name, right click, delete. Now the last key that I'm using is because I have multiple Vault views. So I have to go in, once again, find the one I'm working on and delete. So now that we have the 3 registry keys removed, the next step is working from the command prompt, where we're going to remove some attributes from this folder and its desktop INI file, and then delete that INI file. So once again, we're going to search for CMD, run as administrator, and we're going to use the change directory command as well as the path to this view. Now, I'm going to use the attribute command to remove the attributes that are associated to that desktop INI. Now we'll use the delete command to delete the desktop INI. Once we do that, Blueberry should disappear and it should look like a normal Windows folder. You'll see here it does. I usually go in and rename them afterwards. And once we close out the command window, it'll let me rename it. And now you're good to recreate your Vault view.